You got the video going?
Got it.
Okay. If you notice here, that's an X. And this is P90 or P803. And you asked me to change it to a 1. It will not change because it's locked into the computer. Okay, now the next thing you asked me to do was to change P900. And let me flip over to P900. Here's P900. If you notice the 3 dots, and that won't change. It comes right off the 3 dots. And there's nothing after the P900. There's no P9.10. And you can see that on the manual. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to go to P900 and try to set it to 1003. So P9. P900, set it to
3.
Don't want that. There's 1, 0, 0, 3. Okay. Now if we look at it again and see what it's done, you got the 4 dots. It doesn't do anything. Okay. Now, like I told you a while ago on the sheet, on your manual, it says go to P910 and set it to 1000. There is no P910. You can't set it to 1000. Okay. I have these other items I've already set up in the machine. If you want a video of what I've set them up to, I can do that later. Let me know. But anyway, that's it. I need help. Turn it off, please.